This is how you're going to fix Squarespace domain forwarding not working. So start by logging into your Squarespace account and then opening the domains panel. So you can find the domains from the top of your screen. And then from here, you are going to make sure that the domain you want to forward is connected properly. Check if you type the destination URL correctly. Even a missing HTTPS can cause issues. Next, verify that your DNS settings. Go to your DNS records and confirm that your domain has the correct CNAME or a record pointing to Squarespace. If you recently made changes, remember it can take up to 48 hours for DNS updates to propagate. Also, check if SSL is enabled. Forwarding often fails if your domain doesn't have an SSL certificate. So you can turn it on from the account settings at the top of your screen, and then from here, just go over to the security tab. Now, if you already have a domain, you will see the SSL certificate right here. Finally, you're going to clear your browser cache or test in incognito mode to make sure the issue isn't local. And that's it. If nothing works, contact Squarespace support so they can manually refresh your domain's connection. And that's how you're going to fix Squarespace domain forwarding not working. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.